If you are looking for a language learning app that focuses more on speaking and real conversations instead of just memorizing random words, you have probably heard about Airlearn. In this video, I'll cover what Airlearn is, its main features, the pros and cons, pricing, and whether it's actually worth using in 2026. Let's get started. What is Airlearn? Airlearn is an AI powered language learning app designed to help users improve speaking, listening, vocabulary, and conversation skills. The app uses interactive lessons and AI conversations to make learning feel more natural compared to traditional language apps. It supports multiple languages and is mainly focused on helping beginners and intermediate learners practice daily communication. One of the biggest selling points is its AI conversation system, where you can chat with an AI tutor and practice speaking without feeling pressured. Main features: AI conversations. This is probably the biggest feature of Airlearn. And instead of only doing flashcards and quizzes, you can actually have conversations with AI in your target language. It helps with pronunciation practice, sentence building, real conversation confidence, listening skills. For many people, this feels more practical than traditional exercises. Personalized learning. Airlearn adapts lessons based on your progress and learning speed. So if you struggle with certain vocabulary or grammar topics, the app focuses more on those areas. This makes the learning experience feel less repetitive. Speaking practice. A lot of language apps focus heavily on reading and vocabulary. Airlearn puts more attention on speaking practice, which is useful if your goal is actually communicating with people instead of only passing quizzes. The speech recognition system can also help identify pronunciation mistakes. Short lessons. The lessons are designed to be short and easy to complete daily. That makes the app good for busy students, casual learners, people learning during breaks or commuting. You can usually make progress without spending hours every day. Gamified experience. Like many modern learning apps, Airlearn includes progress tracking, daily streaks, achievements, learning goals, and this helps keep users motivated and consistent. Pros: easy to use. The interface is simple and beginner friendly. Even if you have never used a language app before, it's easy to navigate. Strong focus on speaking. This is one of Airlearn's biggest advantages. Many apps teach vocabulary but do not really help users speak confidently. Airlearn tries to solve that with AI conversations and pronunciation practice. Good for daily practice. Because the lessons are short, it's easier to stay consistent. Consistency is one of the most important parts of learning a language. AI makes learning feel interactive. The AI chat system makes the experience feel more engaging compared to traditional lesson based apps. It can feel closer to talking with a real tutor. Cons: not perfect for advanced learners. If you are already advanced in a language, the lessons may feel too basic. The app is mainly better for beginner and intermediate users. Some features require premium, the free version is limited. To unlock the full AI features and unlimited practice, you will probably need a paid subscription. AI conversations are still AI. Even though the conversations are useful, they are not exactly the same as speaking with a real native speaker. So eventually, you will still want real world practice. Pricing. Airlearn offers a free version with limited access. There is also a premium subscription that unlocks more lessons, unlimited AI conversations, additional speaking tools, full learning features. Pricing can vary depending on monthly or yearly plans. If you are serious about language learning, the premium version will probably give the best experience. Who should use Airlearn? Airlearn is best for beginners, intermediate learners, people who want speaking practice, users who prefer AI powered learning, casual daily learners. It may not be the best option for advanced learners, users wanting deep grammar explanations, people looking for formal certification prep. Final verdict and conclusion. So, is Airlearn the best language learning app? It depends on what you need. If your main goal is improving speaking confidence and practicing conversations daily, Airlearn is actually a strong option. The AI features make learning feel more interactive, and the short lessons are easy to fit into a daily routine. However, advanced learners may eventually outgrow the app, and some of the best features are locked behind the premium plan. Overall, Airlearn is a solid language learning app for beginners and intermediate users who want a modern AI powered learning experience. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and if the video helped you, don't forget to support us with like, subscribe for more reviews and comparisons. Let me know down below in the comments if you have tried Airlearn before or not and how was your experience. Share this video to your friends who want to learn some languages. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.